Come to order, court is in session. No talking.
Go on the record in the matter of the people versus Charles Ray Merritt. State your appearances, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Sean Gordon, on behalf of the people.
He's present before the court. He's in custody. Represented by Robert Ponce. I'm asking leave of court to make a general appearance at this point in time for all purposes.
Okay, we'll show you making a general appearance, Mr. Ponce. Have you received a copy of the complaint in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. Waive formal reading of same advisal of rights. Center plea of not guilty. Deny all allegations. Ask that the matter be set for preliminary hearing within the statutory time and reviewing a few motions that I want to make when it's timely.
Okay, any comments from the people?
No, Your Honor. I provided first batch of discovery to Mr. Ponce today.
Okay, these dates will be set in this department at 8:30 in the morning. Pre-preliminary hearing November 20th. Preliminary hearing November 25th. I'll order the defendant transported back. And bail to remain no bail, please, pending further hearing.
Yes, that's one of the issues that I wanted to raise, that particular issue could be raised at the pre-preliminary hearing. That's fine.
Okay, I'll show that you're going to make a motion for a bail reduction.
I also indicate that informally I've spoken to Mr. Doherty. He's given me some discs that apparently number close to 1,000 pages, and there's more coming. I don't want to make a formal motion for discovery. I trust his practices. I know he'll turn over the information that he has to me as soon as he has it, and I appreciate that. So that's a record I want to make on discovery. Otherwise, we'll be ready to proceed at the time of the pre-preliminary hearing.
It'll be an interesting Thanksgiving week. Okay. Defendant ordered back at those dates and times.
Thank you very much.
We'll be in recess.
I appreciate it.
And I assume these misdemeanors will trail?
Yes, please. Thank you. My name is Robert Ponce. I have just a brief statement to make. This case arose from a tragedy, and I want to spend this time, it's a good opportunity for me to express my sincere sympathy and condolences to the McStay family in this case regarding their losses. And I wish for them a day, I suspect it may be impossible, but I wish for them a day where they can find some sort of peace and they can find some sort of closure in all of this. I wish it for them. I also want to express the fact that my purpose and my oath to my client is that I'm going to do everything that I can for Mr. Merritt, everything in my power, to be able to represent him, do everything that I can to be able to help him in this case, to specifically see if there isn't a way that with the tragedy that's taken place, that tragedy not extend to him and not extend to his family also. It's what he deserves in good representation. He's going to get it from me. And I'll be able to tell you more about all that soon. I've been given 900 pages today in a disc that I have to read. My background on this case is limited to having this in my hand, some of the things that I've read in the newspapers and online, but it'll be my pleasure as soon as I'm finished here to be able to get to work on that. And then when I get even smarter on this case, it'll be my pleasure to speak to you all about it. But right now, with your permission, I'm going to get to work. Thanks very much.
Quick question, are we going to go to prelim on the 25th? Is that a go, the 25th?
The preliminary hearing has been set. I don't know what's going to happen regarding if we do that or not. I know that the pre-preliminary hearing will be discussions with myself and the district attorney in this case.
Can you go to the mic, please? Sorry, it's just a legal question.
This is I'm trying to be nice to you guys because you come all the way out here. This is what I can tell you. The pre-preliminary hearing is scheduled and the preliminary hearing date is scheduled. Whether the preliminary hearing date goes or not will depend on how fast I can read and get up to speed. I suspect that there's a chance that it won't take place on the date as set. The pre-preliminary hearing will. If you come here, you'll be able to hear if there's a new date that is set. Those are things that I have to go over with myself, my staff, and also with my client.
And do you anticipate making a bail argument on the pre-prelim date?
I can also say that you may have heard me address that issue to the judge. There's statutory limitations as to what the judge can do regarding setting bail at this point in time. But I'm here today and I'll be there then to make a record on behalf of my client. That's what he deserves. So I know there's lots of questions that you all have. I appreciate it. I know everybody's working hard in this case. Well, so am I. I've got things to do, and I'll be smarter the next time that I see you after I've had a chance to be able to take a look at it all. So, look, I have work to do. Thank you very much.